Restoration and conservation of eelgrass beds is very important and very critical right now. The goal of my research is to put together a map of our historical distribution of eelgrass. I'm looking through literature, looking through libraries of plant collections, and trying to pinpoint data of where eelgrass was and what year it's from. There's like more eelgrass right here, there's some over here. Eelgrass is important because it is habitat for a lot of important fish. It filtrates the waters, it is a carbon sink, and it also stabilizes our shorelines. Noank Harbor, Connecticut, and the bottom is eelgrass. I get really excited seeing like Connecticut names. I'm like, yes, a data point for Connecticut. If we know where eelgrass had grown in the past, we know that we have a relatively high success rate of restoring eelgrass back to that same area. I feel like science is very much just everyone like playing a small part, but everyone's small part ends up being something big enough to make a change.